Morning everyone, this is DailyChilli. Today is Monday and I'm just gonna do a new routine with my Chinese practice, my daily Chinese practice. I'm gonna do like the sentence that I practice every day. I'm just gonna record here with my voice, and also I'm gonna say it in Spanish, which is today's sentence is 外国东西贵，可是不一定好。And en español es los productos o las cosas extranjeras son caras, pero no necesariamente buenas. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this new routine. Also I'm doing some more videos for my video blog. I'm just gonna start doing videos about what I'm doing. It's creating a brand. I'm here now in Shanghai, living in Shanghai, and as every day I also post my daily journal. I like to write in the mornings. I write usually 3 pages, and every day I post my daily journal. It's in Spanish, I know, but anyway, I like to share with you all these, like my thoughts of the day on the week. Sorry, it's a bit dark. Okay, so that's it for me now, and today's password for my daily journal is extranjeras. Okay, see you guys, bye.